Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these videos to be helpful, kindly like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. So in this video, we will see one more common mistake we do in Go language while we write a code. And that code is called unexpected new line error. So you see this code, we have a string array, and in this string array we pass some value and we try to run this code. It's a very simple, no problem at all in code, but it will generate some error. You see, to understand the error, unexpected line, new line, expecting comma or the bracket. So if you see in first glance, you would not find any error. But remember that in Go language, if you find such kind of error, that means you need one more extra comma after this line. In other languages like C and other, we have to put this comma only when we want to insert some new line of code. So we have a practice of those languages, but in Go language we have to write this comma like this. So this is, we have to write here. So this code, this line of code, this error tell you that you have not marked a comma at the last of this array. So simply remember, in other languages we do not have such kind of problem, but in Go language occasionally we have such kind of error and it give you that expected comma. That means we need here a comma and this unexpected new line. That means this is the extra line without a comma. So you have to put a comma and this line will be valid. So if I save this and I try to run this code now, you will see that there is no error and we have the output. Simple, we have the array. And we can put this array like this. As we use the array, we can use normally whatever we want to display like this. If I remove this, then again we have the error. You see, unexpected new line, expecting comma. So it's very necessary in Go language to remember these points. Otherwise, we will have this kind of error. If I remove this comma, then I will have this error. Remember, unexpected new line, expecting comma. If you find this error in your program, that means you have forget to put some extra comma in your array. And this may become on structure also. So that's all in this video. I think you have learned something from this video, and if you really learn anything from this video, kindly do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.